Welcome to Rainy Day Foods Dehydrated Potato Granules. These granules are a wonderful product to have on hand. Not only can you use these to make mashed potatoes, but you can use it as a thickener or in any bread or roll recipe that might call for potatoes. Here we're going to show you one way to utilize these potato granules in your own home. You're going to take about a quarter cup of potato granules and you're going to boil water. This is about a cup and a half. And then you're going to stir and incorporate the granules, 1/4 cup. I have a little bit extra here just in case I wanted to thicken it a little bit. Here you can see with the 1/4 cup about how thick it is. Personally, I would probably want it a tiny bit thicker to mimic actual mashed potatoes. I decided to add a tablespoon of butter, and doing that made it a little bit thinner, so I will have to go back and add those extra granules in. Here you'll be able to see the texture difference just by adding a little bit more of the powder in. Go ahead and season it. The granules are very basic, so for flavor, I would definitely recommend adding stuff. Here I added salt, pepper, and dill. And once you stir that in, then you're pretty much ready to go. You don't really have to wait. It incorporates quickly. So for a quick side to meal, this is a great option to keep in your pantry. So for this product and other products as well, please visit us at www.rainydayfoods.com. And remember that food storage is for every day, not just rainy days. Thank you.